Good morning, my name is Raditya Agaskanayan.
And I'm Dakota Chakrandika. We are from Garuda Cendekia Junior High School.
Today we will be presenting about bioplastic or biodegradable plastic from durian and jackfruit seeds.
What is bioplastic?
Bioplastic is an environmentally friendly plastic that can be degraded by microorganisms. Why? Because it comes from natural materials such as starch and cellulose.
Why we don't use potato and cassava for making bioplastic?
So normally, for making bioplastic, ingredients with high starch content such as potato and cassava are used, but we are not using it. Why? Because it is a food item such that using it for making plastic can be wasteful and disrupt the food balance.
This is why we use durian and jackfruit seeds for making bioplastic.
We use it because it is a natural and agricultural waste, and it also has a high starch content, which is around 45% to 50%. These are the ingredients for making bioplastic. The first one is durian seeds that we peel the outer layer and blend it to get the starch. The second one is jackfruit seeds that with the same treatment as durian seeds. The third one is glycerol.
The fourth one is MC and the fifth one is aqueous.
So we had 3 samples with different amounts of durian and jackfruit seed starch. For sample 1, it had a higher amount of jackfruit seed starch than durian seed starch. For sample 2, it had equal parts of durian and jackfruit seed starch. For sample 3, it had higher amount of durian seed starch to jackfruit seed starch. For the CMC, glycerol, and aqueous were all the same in all 3 samples.
These are the results of the 3 samples after we laid them thin and let them dry for a couple of weeks.
Sample 1 looks thin, clear, and transparent. Sample 2 is much browner and thicker than sample 1, and sample 3 is even thicker than sample 2, and it has air bubbles or pockets of air.
We ran tests on the samples and a normal plastic bag. The tests are heat and water and biodegradability test. As you can see here, the normal plastic bag came out superior of the water and heat resistance level. The bioplastic that did the best was sample 3, with the highest water and heat resistant level. Sample 1 absorbed the most water, so making it easier to decompose.
For the biodegradability test, we buried these samples and a normal plastic bag in soil for 9 days and measured the weight before and after. As you can see here, the bioplastic had a much lower plastic waste percentage, meaning it has lost much more weight than the normal plastic bag. The plastic bag that did the best was sample 1 in accordance to the water resistance test.
Our conclusion is, in terms of water and heat resistance test, sample 3 did the best, but in biodegradability test, sample 1 did the best.
And our recommendation is making bioplastic with potato and cassava should be replaced by using durian and jackfruit seeds. That's it from us. Thank you.